Hey guys, it's day 2 of our Japan trip. We just had a complimentary breakfast. We had pancakes as well as some ham and cheese toast. Right now, about 7 a.m. We're gonna rush over to the station to head over to Tokyo DisneySea. So, catch you guys in a bit. We finally arrived at Tokyo DisneySea, but it's only 8:30 and the queues are so long already. After a 30-minute wait, we're finally here in Tokyo DisneySea. Now we're gonna explore around. We're gonna first find the most popular attractions and we're gonna try and queue for those. Let's go! Right now we are queuing for a fantastic flight and apparently it's a 3-hour wait time, and hopefully that was an overestimation and we don't actually have to wait that long. But yeah, we're gonna wait just like everyone else. It ended up only being a 2 hours wait, not 3.
Buongiorno, 私のアレッタ。皆さん、ボンジョルノ、ファンタスティックフライトミュージアムにようこそ。アレッタ、皆さんにちゃんとご挨拶しなさい。近くの荷物置き場に置いてください。安全のため、安心なようにお願いします。
was an amazing ride. If you guys ever come to Tokyo DisneySea, definitely have to give that a try.
It's worth the wait.
Yes, it's so fun. I can't explain it. It's superb. So there's a Disney Christmas greeting show that's about to start in 5 minutes. We're gonna catch it over here and see the hype around it. Right now we're gonna get us some food. We're starving a little bit, so hopefully we can get something to eat first before we head to our next ride.
Bye! Hi guys, so what we got is turkey leg, and then we got hot cocoa each. Look at the car! We're gonna do our taste test for the teriyaki chicken leg.
Okay, we're gonna give this a try now. Itadakimasu.
Not tender.
Wow, it's very juicy. You get a nice taste of the teriyaki sauce. So the meat is very flavorful as well. Overall, I'll give this 8 out of 10. We got ourselves some hot cocoa. We're gonna give this a try. Taste test. Cheers.
Wow.
This is hot cocoa. This deserves another 8 out of 10 too.
Hi guys, so we are heading to our second ride now.
It's called 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea.
The queue is okay.
It's about 20-minute wait time, much better than 2 hours. Just entered Triton's Palace, but there are a lot of kids rides over here, so we're gonna give this a miss. But just to show you a glimpse of all the rides here. Decided to take a quick stop to get ourselves
Matcha white chocolate popcorn.
Gonna give this a try. Oh wow,
Very prominent.
yeah.
That is a white chocolate, though.
But matcha taste is definitely there. Yeah, it's pretty good.
例えば私なんてだランプの魔人を相棒に
トローム来てくれてありがとう拍手までありがとうお長いおいどうなのだこれだよご挨拶ご挨拶出してもいや3つ目の願いを使わせてやるソースはサラームためにはとこうしよう
So we just finished the Magic Lamp Theatre. There was some like magic involved, some 4D.
The guy was funny though.
Yeah, it was really good. Even if you don't understand Japanese, definitely come and watch this show. Gonna go on that ride. Right now we're gonna queue for the Raging Spirit, which is a roller coaster that's a 360-degree loop. It's a 50-minute wait time, but hopefully, like the previous ride, gonna be shorter than 50 minutes. Afterwards, you can go over to Indiana Jones. Our turn to ride a roller coaster. That was so fun!
It was so cold though.
So we decided to take another short break, got ourselves smoked chicken leg. It's different from the previous one, we had teriyaki. And on top of that, we also got ourselves little green alien mochi. And we're gonna try that as well. So this is definitely a lot better than the previous one. You guys have to go to DisneySea at the smoked chicken leg. It's a lot nicer. Okay, so we just got done with the chicken leg. And now we're gonna try the mochi. Hopefully this one tastes as good as well. Chocolate inside. It's a chocolate filling inside. Wow, it's really good. It's currently 4:50 and the sun is starting to set. But we're finally making our way to Indiana Jones. We just finished the Indiana Jones ride. It was very similar to the Mummy ride from USS. It's less scarier, but overall, I think it was still a really fun ride. Yeah, definitely worth the wait.
It was so fun.
So now we are on our way to see any last parts of the park before the fireworks starts at 8:40 p.m. Someone's in her element, all the Winnie the Pooh merch.
Oh my gosh, it's damn cute.
We ended up finding a lot more snacks.
It's like butter cookie. This is like cookies with like fillings inside.
We had a random udon place for supper. We're gonna dig in and hopefully taste pretty good. Itadakimasu. It's pretty good. We got some necessities from 7-Eleven. It's been a long day. Our legs are dying, so we're just gonna head back right now. Currently about 11 p.m. and we were awake since 6 a.m. So we're gonna go back, get some rest and wrap things up for day 2. See you guys tomorrow.